Alright, hey there YouTube. So, I had an idea that I would take a round file, so a chainsaw sharpening file, grind flats on it and put it in a scroll saw to file on it. So what I did, the grinding of the flats on it and whatnot, pretty much was just a normal file. Ground down the ends. Focus. Alright, well, it's not going to focus, but ground down the ends on a belt sander so it would fit. So it's about the same size as the end of the normal scroll saw blade. And then clamped it into the little holder here. And let me get it all set up for you and I'll show you how it works. I'll just put you guys in the vise. Charge on some wood and some metal. Seems to work fairly well for moving a little bit of material. Doesn't work too good on removing large quantities though. And also I have no idea if this is safe, so don't try it at home. Find it works a lot better on a little bit lower tension. Alright. Got some rough edges on this tire iron here, so I'll just clean them up. See it take off a little sharp edge I had on it. Alright, there it is. File on a scroll saw. Catch you later.